Arwa Zakir from GoFit and welcome to my first YouTube video. Over the years, I have trained so many women and particularly so many mothers. So naturally, my first video had to be dedicated to all the mothers out there. If you are a mother, this video is for you. Mothers find it extremely difficult to find the time to work out or take care of their health. Whether you're a working mom or you're a homemaker, you run a business or you have a corporate job, finding the time is extremely difficult. So these are my 4 fitness hacks for all the busy moms out there. Hope this one helps. The first fitness hack is do timed workouts. So what are timed workouts? Give yourself 15 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever is most convenient for you and just work out in this 15 minutes. Say you could do AMRAP in this 15 minutes, which is as many reps as possible, where you say take 10 or 15 exercises and continuously do them for these 15 minutes, or take as less breaks as possible. So you know you have only 15 minutes, so you really want to crush this workout. The second one is you could do EMOM, or every minute or the minute. Here what you do is you take 2 or 3 exercises. Say you take 2 crunches and 4 jumping jacks. Now do these 2 crunches and 4 jumping jacks in under a minute, and whatever is time is remaining in the minute, you take a break, and then as soon as the minute is over, you move on to the second minute and continue doing that and take the break in whatever time is remaining. Here by the end of the minute, you should have 15 or 20 seconds of break before the second minute starts. These are 2 simple ways you can work out. Just 15 minutes or 10 minutes, but you need to do this. You got this. Moving on to the second fitness hack is always keep your gym bag ready and have a workout plan. So whenever you have the time, say you have 15 minutes or 10 minutes, or when your kids are napping, or you just got some time in between your chores, so what you can do is you have a workout ready and you have your clothes ready. So just quickly take them out and complete your workout. When you have some time remaining, you don't want to waste it on choosing your clothes or choosing a workout. Always be prepared. So whenever you have the time, just work out. The third fitness hack is have some home gym equipment at your house. So you could be having, say, a few dumbbells or your yoga mat or a pull-up bar. And you don't have to, if you don't have the time, you don't need to go to the gym or go anywhere else to work out. You have a few of these things at home and you can really smash any workout with just dumbbells or even your body weight. Have a small space in your house that is dedicated towards you working out. It's like a small home gym for you. It could be a small corner in your room or in your hall or wherever you have just a little bit of space. You don't need to have fancy equipments to work out. When you have a few dumbbells at your home or when you have the mat, it really pushes you and motivates you to work out. Those dumbbells will be calling out to you to work out. So set up a small home gym. It doesn't have to be fancy. My fourth fitness hack is you before your home. So you don't need to have the perfect, spotless, clean home all the time. The dishes can wait for later. The laundry can wait. If you have some time in your hands, go and work out. Household chores are never ending. So if you have some time, go and work out. My one additional tip would be you can enroll in some online classes or buy some home workout DVDs or enroll in some fitness program that you can just do from home. So these were my fitness hacks for all the busy moms out there. Please prioritize yourself and take care of your health. Thank you for watching this video. On our YouTube channel, we will be posting a lot of full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, fitness tips, and much more. So do like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and see you all in the next video.